Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on Linnworks is an important step to enhance the security of your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Linnworks account. Start by accessing your Linnworks account using your username and password. Ensure that you are using a secure network to protect your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find the Security section. Click on it to view your current security options, including the option to enable multi-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable multi-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Enable MFA or two-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to initiate the setup process. You may be required to enter your phone number or email for verification. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the instructions provided to complete the MFA setup. This may involve scanning a QR code with an authentication app or receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Once completed, make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. By following these steps, you can successfully enable multi-factor authentication on your Linnworks account, adding an extra layer of security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.